Good morning. Yeah, look at you. Oh. Silly. Hide. They're looking for you. Hide. Get in the box. Scotty. There's a toffee. Oh, she's sweet. I got them. Late birthday present. Replacing the perch upstairs since it's kind of it's got beanie poo stain on it, so I got them a short little tree for in front of the window. Yeah, you're spoiled rotten. Oh, I took her out in the we got a little kitty backpack. We took her out for a short little walk around the block. She wasn't a fan of it in the backpack. The backpack's too small for her. I did order them a stroller, just one for now, to see how they react. With the stroller. And yeah, maybe end up getting a second one so I can push them around together because I'm not putting them in one stroller. You would cause chaos. Let their daddy put that together. Too many pieces for me. Huh. Oh, she's so little. Hi. I like when she explores. That's really cute. His eyes are all black.